of. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing today? Coming at you guys today on a sub box that I've been working on here. Triple kerf, double baffle, flush mount for some skar ZVX8s. So I'm just going to give you a walk around some of my work in progress right here. Not going to be too long of a video, but like I said, flush mounted, triple kerf. The back side's curved, so very efficient port. Faceplate, another kerf, then the port curved. Still not finished. I'm going to do some more interior work. 45 faceplate here, so very efficient. Glue's still drying. I'm going to do some more. I'm going to do some more bracing. Might do a center brace here. There's only 245 since I got all the kerfing done. Like I said, this is for the skar ZVX8s. So interior volume should be right around, I believe, 2.75 cubic foot after all my bracing and everything. And they call for 1 1/4 each. So it should be pretty good. Got a 3-inch port all the way around. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do some bracing here and then maybe in the middle, but we'll see. I might do just a wooden dowel rod across here, but I was thinking about doing a nice brace with like 4 squares with some round overs, but we'll see. It'll be strong enough. Everything's Craig jigged. So if you have any questions, or if you want a box made, I'm in Ohio. Shoot me a message, or leave me a comment. If you guys want to see more of these types of videos of how I build my enclosures, I build quite a few a year. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'll answer all of them. And if you got a pair of ZVXs, I used to have 4, I sold 2, so I only got 2 left. But hit that like button and think about subscribing. I'm always doing audio and a bunch of other things too that are pretty entertaining. So stay tuned. Thanks again. Have a good one.